Let's check all of the accessories that come with Realme GT 7 Pro. So here I have the box with the brand new phone, and all of the accessories should be inside. So first thing is a cardboard, probably with all of the instructions along with the case. So here's my case. I'm gonna show you that in a second. Let's just unbox everything first. There's also our main price, and that's the phone itself. It's wrapped in this paper just to protect it. Here it is. It's a gray version, looks like that. So that's everything inside of the box. Let's move to the case and the rest of the stuff. So there's a cable, USB to USB-C, warranties and instructions, and a protective case. And that's everything.